Jai Hind everyone, welcome to another video class. In today's video, we are going to start a new chapter in our chemistry, which is coal and petroleum. In this chapter, we are going to discuss the main two resources available in our surrounding or in our nature, which is coal and the petroleum. We all know the coal and the petroleum both are the important resources available for energy in our nature, and nature provides us. But first of all, we need to understand what kind of resources available in our nature, which we can occur from our nature and we can use it for our energy purpose. So let's have a look first on the natural resources. Yes, natural resources mean this kind of thing which can be available in our nature. And we will also talk about the kinds, or you can say categorization of the natural resources as well. So come on, let's have a look on the natural resources first, and later on we will discuss on the kinds of it. Natural resources are the resources that we found in the environment and are developed without the intervention of humans. Common examples of natural resources include air, sunlight, water, soil, stones, plants, animals, and fossil fuels. The natural resources are naturally occurring material that are useful to man or could be useful under convincible technological, economical, or social circumstances, or supplies drawn from the earth, supplies such as food, building and clothing materials, fertilizers also, metals, water and geothermal power. For a long time, natural resources were the domain of natural sciences actually. On the base of availability and the uses, we can categorize the natural resources into two parts. First is inexhaustible natural resources, and the second is exhaustible natural resources. So let's have a look one by one on these kinds of categorization. An inexhaustible resources is a resource that never runs out or get depleted. Some of such resources included wind, sun and solar energy, also the tides and geothermal energy. They are mostly the natural occurring resources, hence they reappear naturally. So we don't have to produce it. Also the sun will burn out in just over 6 billion years. So a millions or so years before then, the sun will expand and boiling. Same we can take example of precipitation, just like rainfall, snowfall, etc. The atomic power are some instances of inexhaustible natural resources. Some of them may undergo temporary imbalances just due to the human activities, the quality of atmosphere due to air pollutions. But the inexhaustible energy resources differ from the renewable energy sources because they won't be used up under any conditions. Now, the exhaustible natural resources. The resources which are limited in the nature can be exhausted very soon by the human activities, which is actually called the exhaustible natural resources. For example, forest, coal, petroleum, minerals, wildlife, and natural gases. Although the natural resources can be also called non-renewable resources, they get depleted easily and are found in less quantities. That is why the conservation of these resources are important in today's world, or else the future generation will not be able to use them. They also take thousands of years to get regenerate. For examples, minerals and coal, petroleum. I hope this video will help you to understand the natural resources and the types of it as well. If you have any question and queries regarding to this, you can ask me on my personal window or your concerned teacher as well. If you have any queries, you can ask also in our live session we will do in our current week. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you and Jai Hind.